Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I want to make this video today is we haven't talked about tourbillon in a very, very long time. So both of these tourbillons are out more than 9 months to a year. And I want to talk about this is because I want to remind everybody we still have this collection. They're both limited edition. So over here on the left is the Divemaster Central Tourbillon with the Platinum MOP. And over here is the Millipede Max Tourbillon, okay, also with the Platinum MOP. We have two sizes for both. So we have the 50 and the 45, 48 and 42, but it wears big like a 50 and a 44, okay? I personally have this one in the 42 and I love it. Every time when I wear this watch, people just can't stop staring at, at my wrist. It's fun, it's special, and also it's very precious because of the automatic tourbillon. So now we only make automatic tourbillon. And automatic tourbillon is a lot more expensive than mechanical tourbillon. I just want to emphasize this, number one. And the next thing I want to talk about is, Chinese came out with the tourbillons, I think more than 10 years or 15 years ago. And it changed the watch industry because for a very, very long time, in order to get a tourbillon, you probably have to spend 50,000 or more or something like that. And with the Chinese automatic tourbillon, it just changed the entire watch industry. And they made it so affordable. The quality is superior, it's very, very high. I would say it's equivalent to the Swiss. Oh, sorry, I just kicked the stand. The quality is super high. We rarely see any of them have any issues coming back. And also the accuracy is very, very high as well. So let's talk about this. I don't want to, because this meant to be a short video. So this one here is a Divemaster. It's 45 millimeter. Okay, so you have the ceramic bezel insert, sapphire crystal. And you notice they both have the same cage, but the cage on the Divemaster in the center. So we call this central tourbillon. So technically, this is a lot more difficult to build because you can see the hour hand and the minute hand is outside of the cage, okay? Versus the millipede, you see the hands are in the traditional position, okay? It's a couple millimeter above the cage. And they're both built by the same factory, same watch factory, and it's called HZ Hangzhou. They build a lot of components, even they export them to Europe, okay, for the watch parts. And that's why they have the technical know-how, how to build high quality tourbillon movements, okay? So now going back to this, yes, this watch is 45 millimeter. I love it, and it wears very well on my wrist as well. 200 meter water resistance. The bracelet is knurling center links, and I also love about the clasp. Okay, it's the glide lock, so it makes it very easy to adjust. Imagine yourself wearing a wetsuit. So the wetsuit on, it will be a lot larger, so you can easily just press a button below and it will fit through the wetsuit. And then you can go scuba dive with this watch. Okay, this is very affordable, even though it's on the high side. And most likely many times, it's usually collectors buy tourbillons. But in this case, look at this, the decoration of this movement is absolutely beautiful. We made it so affordable, anybody can afford any one of our tourbillons, especially it's automatic. You don't have to take it out and wind it, to charge the energy or the power reserve of the watch. So now I want to show you this one. Oh, by the way, let me do a demonstration of how cool the hands it moves. All right, so let me put this back. Okay, I'm going to forward the time. You see how the mini hand is going forward? It's truly a masterpiece, okay? Now, I want to talk about the Millipede Max. What's so special about this watch is not only is the movement, also it's the bracelet design, okay? And the crown guard. See that? So when you adjust the hands, it's also screw down crown, okay? So go back and forth. After you finish this, make sure you lock the crown, okay? Otherwise, the water will get inside. I know a lot of you know this because many of you are watch enthusiasts and collectors and have more than one watch. And when you're done, press it in, you hear a click. So this one is on the larger side. I have the 42 millimeter. Okay, we have two sizes, the 42 and the 48. And you can see how I designed this watch. So a couple features of this watch is, even though it's a fixed bezel, if you look at the watch case, it has multiple angle. You see the angle right here. So it creates not just a cushion case. It makes this watch even more special. The Aragon logo is on the side of the crown guard, solid first end link, and the bracelet drops 90 degrees, okay, to the case so everybody can wear it. So is this one. All right, so thank you very much for tuning in and watch this. And I am just gonna leave this and for you guys to enjoy both tourbillons. All right, thank you, have fun.